One tiny seed, one massive secret your doctor never told you. Right now, millions of people are managing type 2 diabetes with pills, injections, and strict diets, never knowing that deep inside their body, the pancreas has the ability to heal. What if a single seed, used for thousands of years, could literally rebuild the cells your diabetes destroyed? To understand how this works, let's go inside the body. Your pancreas contains clusters of cells called the islets of Langerhans. Nestled inside them are beta cells, the only cells in your entire body capable of producing insulin. In type 2 diabetes, these beta cells become exhausted, damaged, and stop responding properly. Insulin production drops, blood sugar rises, and over time the damage compounds, silently destroying organs from the inside. Here's what modern science has now confirmed about an ancient seed, fenugreek. Used for over 4,000 years in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine, this small, golden seed contains a rare combination of compounds that directly target the root causes of type 2 diabetes. And the results are extraordinary. Inside your digestive system, fenugreek's soluble fiber, called galactominin, forms a thick gel that wraps around glucose molecules in your intestines. This physically slows glucose absorption into your bloodstream, preventing the dangerous blood sugar spikes that destroy your beta cells over time. Think of it as a natural speed brake, directly inside your gut, keeping blood sugar in a safe, steady range after every meal. Slowing glucose is just the beginning. Studies published in peer-reviewed journals have shown that fenugreek's bioactive compounds, including trigonelline and diosgenin, can stimulate the regeneration of beta cells inside the pancreas. Yes, the very cells diabetes destroys, fenugreek helps rebuild. In multiple animal and human studies, subjects taking fenugreek showed measurable increases in functional beta cell mass, meaning the pancreas wasn't just coping, it was recovering. There's another layer to this. Even when beta cells produce insulin, in type 2 diabetes the body's cells often refuse to respond. This is called insulin resistance. Fenugreek directly addresses this too. Its compounds activate insulin receptors on cell surfaces, making them more sensitive, more responsive, so that the insulin your pancreas produces actually gets used. Blood sugar drops, energy stabilizes. The cycle of damage begins to reverse. Here's what most people don't realize: chronic inflammation is secretly fueling your diabetes. It attacks pancreatic tissue, accelerates beta cell death, and blocks insulin signaling. Fenugreek is loaded with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that neutralize this inflammation at the cellular level, protecting your pancreas from further damage while giving it the space to heal. The effects don't stop at the pancreas. When blood sugar stabilizes and insulin works properly again, your entire body benefits. Your liver stops overproducing glucose. Your kidneys face less filtration stress. Your cardiovascular system reduces its inflammation load. Your energy, your mood, your mental clarity all begin to shift. This isn't just about diabetes management. This is about total metabolic restoration, triggered by one ancient seed. How do you actually use fenugreek? The most studied method is soaking 1 to 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds in water overnight, then drinking that water and eating the seeds on an empty stomach each morning. You can also use fenugreek powder, adding half a teaspoon to warm water or food daily. Capsule supplements are available too, typically standardized to 4 to 5 grams per day. Always consult your doctor before making changes, especially if you're currently on diabetes medication, as fenugreek can significantly lower blood sugar levels. The science is clear. Fenugreek is not a miracle cure, but it is one of the most powerful evidence-backed natural tools for supporting pancreatic health, improving insulin function, and reversing the metabolic damage of type 2 diabetes. Your body wants to heal. Sometimes it just needs the right signal. And this tiny seed might be exactly that. If this video opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button, because on Dr. Smart Anatomy, we go inside the human body to bring you the science that actually changes lives. Drop a comment below. Have you ever tried fenugreek? I'd love to know. See you in the next one.